Good morning everyone, myself Jyoti. So now we are going to continue with the very first exercise of the simple equation. In the previous lecture, we have seen the theory of the simple equation. The links are for that given in the description box. Okay. The first question is that complete the last column of the table. So here we have given an equation. Its value is also given. No need to solve the equation, and its value is given over here, and we need to say whether the equation is satisfied or not. We need to write here, if it is satisfied, then we need to write the S. If it is not satisfied, we need to write no. Okay. So first equation is x plus 3 equal to 0. So we will consider, अगर x की वैल्यू में 3 डाल दूं तो क्या आ जाएगा आपका यहाँ पे 3 plus 3. तो 3 plus 3 आपका आता है 6, which is not equals to 0. 3 plus 3 कितना आता है आपका 6, which is not equals to 0. अगर ये not equals to 0 है तो आपको ये x की वैल्यू ये इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं करता है, and you need to just simply write no. It is the so value is not satisfying the equation, and you need to just write S or no over here. Okay. Second is x plus 3 equal to 0. We need to take the x value is 0. तो अगर मैंने यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू 0 डाल दी तो ये आ जाएगा 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is what? 3. But RHS is given to us what? 0. Whether equal to 0? So no again. 3 is not equals to 0. And obviously this value doesn't satisfy the given equation. So what we need to write over here? No. Next is x plus 3 equals to 0 and value is given minus 3. So x की जगह हम क्या डालेंगे यहाँ पे? minus 3 डालेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा minus 3 plus 3. तो minus 3 plus 3 कितना आता है आपका? 0 आता है. RHS भी कितना दिया है यहाँ पे? 0 दिया है. So they are equal. वैल्यू आपकी 0 आ रही है, and therefore x equal to minus 3 satisfies the given equation. X equal to minus 3 satisfies the given equation. As it is satisfied, then you should write S. You should write what? Yes. Next is x minus 7 equal to 1. तो x की जगह हम क्या डालेंगे? 7 डाल देंगे तो ये बन जाएगा आपका 7 minus 7. तो 7 minus 7 किया तो आपका आ जाता है 0. लेकिन RHS कितना दिया है यहाँ पे? 1 दिया है. So equal to 1 आता है क्या? नहीं. So 0 never to be equals to 1. 0 is never to be equals to 1. तो 0 equal to 1 नहीं आता है, तो x equal to 7 ये वैल्यू आपका इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगा. कंटिन्यूइंग नेक्स्ट, x minus 7 equal to 1 and x की वैल्यू दी है यहाँ पे 8. तो x की जगह मैं डालूंगी 8 minus 7. So 8 minus 7 किया तो कितना आ गया आपका? 1. 8 minus 7 is equal to what? 1. And what is the value is given on the RHS? 1 only. So equal to what? 1. And these values are equal, and therefore you should write what? The given value satisfies the equation. For that you need to write yes. Next is 5x equal to 25. अगर मैं x की वैल्यू आपको 0 डाल दूँ तो ये आ जाएगा 5 into 0. But find anything, any number into 0 is what? 0 only. But RHS given to us is 25. Are they equal? So 0 never to be equal to 25, and therefore ये equal to नहीं आ रहा है. Therefore this given value does not satisfy the equation, and therefore you should write what? No. Next is what? 5x equal to 25. तो अगर मैंने x की वैल्यू 5 डाल दी तो ये आ जाएगा 5 into 5. 5 5 का 25 और इक्वल टू RHS भी कितना दिया है आपको? 25 दिया है. RHS भी कितना दिया है यहाँ पे आपको? 25 दिया है. And they are equal. As left hand side and right hand side are equal, therefore the given value satisfies the equation. अगर satisfy कर रही है then you need to write here yes. Continuing next, 5x equal to 25. तो x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे दी है -5. अगर मैं यहाँ पे -5 डालती हूँ x की जगह तो ये आ जाएगा आपका minus of 25 is 25 minus 25 equal to 25. No, they are not equal. This value is negative and this value is positive. So obviously they are not equal. अगर equal नहीं है then you should write this is not satisfying the equation, और no लिखना है आपको यहाँ पे. Next is m upon 3 equal to 2. तो m की वैल्यू आप डाल दो यहाँ पे -6. -6 अगर डिवाइड बाय 2 मैंने -6 डिवाइड बाय 2 करते हैं तो क्या आ जाएगा? ये 2 3 are 6. So ये आ गया -3, which is not equals to, राइट हैंड साइड क्या दिया है यहाँ पे? 2 दिया है. So -3 never to be equals to 2. So it is not satisfying the equation. So you should write here no. नेक्स्ट इज m डिवाइड बाय 3 इक्वल टू 2 और m की वैल्यू दी है 0, तो मैंने यहाँ पे 0 डाल दी, 0 डिवाइड बाय 2 कर दूं, तो 0 को अगर कोई भी नंबर से मैं डिवाइड कर दूं, 0 डिवाइड बाय 1000 भी कर दूं, तो आपका वैल्यू आंसर क्या आएगा, हमेशा 0 आएगा। और यहाँ पे दिया है 2, सो दे आर नॉट इक्वल, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड आर नॉट मैचिंग एट ऑल। अगर मैच नहीं कर रहे, you should write here no, you should write here no. Next is m divided by 3 equal to 2, m की वैल्यू हमें 6 लेनी है, so 6 divided by 2 कितना आता है आपका 3, और राइट हैंड साइड भी कितना दिया है आपको 3, so they are matching the values and therefore m equal to 6 are satisfying our equation satisfy कर रहा है, so you should write yes, you should write what, yes. Okay, with this we have finished our question number 1. Okay, so just copy this or solve it by your own and check afterwards. Okay, now we will continue with the next question, that is the question number 2. So next question number 2 is check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. तो जो वैल्यू हमें ब्रैकेट में दी गई है, ये दिए गए इक्वेशन की वैल्यू सॉल्यूशन है या नहीं, हमें ये चेक करना है. So how to check? So यहाँ LHS is what, n plus 5. So by substituting the value n equal to 1 हमें substitute करके देखना है. So अगर मैं यहाँ पे LHS में n की जगह 1 डाल दूँ, तो ये आ जाएगा 1 plus 5 that is 6. But RHS is given to what, 19. So by comparing LHS and RHS, so 6 equal to 19 है क्या, नहीं. So 6 is not equals to 19 and hence what do we get, LHS is not equals to RHS. So LHS are not equal to RHS, so hence the value n equal to 1 is not a solution to the given equation n plus 5 equal to 19. Okay, so this question may be asked for the 2 marks. Next is what, 7n plus 5 equal to 19 and n की वैल्यू क्या चेक करनी है, -2 है या नहीं. So solution equal to what, LHS consider कर लो. What is LHS here, 7n plus 5. So substituting the value n equal to -2, जो भी हमने वैल्यू दी है वो यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. So LHS is what, 7n plus 5, n की जगह डाल दो आप -2, so it will become what, 7 into -2 is -14 plus 5, but -14 plus 5 is what, -9. By comparing the LHS and RHS, RHS कितना दिया है यहाँ पे, 19 दिया है, and LHS what we have calculated, -9. So -9 equal to 19? No, obviously not. So -9 is not equals to 19 and hence what do we get, LHS is not equals to RHS and hence the value of the n equal to -2 is not a solution to the given equation 7n plus 5 equals to 19. Okay, so take the equation and solve by yourself and just then check the answer. Next question is question number 3c. So 7n plus 5 equal to 19 with n equal to 2. So we need to check here n equal to 2 is a solution of the 7n plus 5 equal to 9 or not. So LHS is what, 7n plus 5. By substituting the value n equal to 2 जो दी है वो substitute करके देखो. So LHS is what, 7n plus 5. 7 into n की जगह आप 2 डाल दो. So what do we get, 7 into 2 plus 5. So 7 2s are 14 plus 5 that is 19. So by comparing LHS and the RHS, RHS is also given 19. So 19 equal to 19. So what do we have here, that is LHS equal to RHS, yes, and hence the value n equal to 1 is a solution to the given equation 7n plus 5 equal to 19. Continuing with the next question, 4p minus 3 equal to 13, with the value p equal to 1. We need to check whether the p equal to 1 value satisfies the given equation or not. So by substituting the, so we will consider LHS equal to what, 4p minus 3. Now by substituting the value LHS 4p minus 3, p की वैल्यू क्या डाल दो, यहाँ पे 1 डाल दो, तो ये आ जाएगा 4 1 जा 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 is what, 1. By comparing the LHS and the RHS, one is LHS we have calculated and RHS is given what, 13, but both are not equal obviously and therefore LHS is not equals to RHS and hence the value of the p equal to 1 is not a solution for the given equation 4p minus 3 equal to 13. Okay, so we'll continue with the next question, that is the E. Moving to the next question, 4p minus 3 equal to 13 and the given value for the p equal to what, minus of 3. So LHS is what, 4p minus 3. By substituting the value p equal to minus of 4. So what do we get, LHS 4p minus 3, p की वैल्यू यहाँ पे डाल दो -4, so 4 into 4 is 16, but plus minus is -3, so -16 -3, so minus minus होता है तो आपका क्या होगा, एडिशन होगा, and having the common sign, तो यहाँ पे आएगा आपका -19. By comparing the LHS and the RHS, so LHS आपने हमें कैलकुलेट किया है -19, RHS is given to us 13, so obviously they are not equal, and therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Hence the value p equal to -4 is not the solution to the given equation 4p minus 3 equal to 13. Continuing with the next, 4p minus 3 equal to 13, p equal to 0. LHS is what, 4p minus 3. Now by substituting the value p equal to 0, p की वैल्यू अगर मैंने 0 डाल दी तो क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, 4 into 0 minus 3, that is anything into 0 is what, 0 only. So 0 minus 3, that is -3 only. So by comparing the LHS and the RHS, LHS हमने कैलकुलेट किया है यहाँ पे -3, RHS is given to us 13. So obviously they are not equal, and therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. Hence the value of p equals to 0 is not a solution to the given equation 4p minus 3 equals to 13. With this we have finished the question number 2. Next question number 3 is solve the following equation by trial and error method. What is mean by trial and error method? मतलब क्या है, आपको एक एक वैल्यू चूज आउट करनी है और उसको चेक करना है whether it is a solution or not. So the first is 5b plus 2 equal to 17. So LHS is what, 5b plus 2. So we'll just try with starting with the 0, 1, 2, 3 likewise. So by substituting the value of p equal to 0, so LHS is what, instead of p we will substitute here 0. So find 0 plus 2. So anything into 0 is what, 0 only. So 0 plus 2 is what, 2. And therefore by comparing the LHS and the RHS, what do we get? 2 is not equal to 17. We have the LHS calculated 2 and the RHS is given to what, 17. So LHS is not equals to RHS. If it is not, hence the value of the p equal to 0 is not a solution to the given equation. Similarly we will try with the p equal to 1. So let p equal to 1. तो हमने यहाँ पे वैल्यू कंसीडर की है, इसलिए यहाँ पे लिया है let या क्या लिख सकते हो आप, कंसीडर. So LHS is what, 5 into 1 plus 2. आपका LHS ये है, इसमें p की वैल्यू मैंने यहाँ पे डाल दी 1. So 5 1 जा 5 plus 2 is what, 7. So by comparing the LHS and the RHS, so LHS हमने कैलकुलेट किया है यहाँ पे 7 and RHS is given to what, 17. So 7 will be not equal to 17 and hence LHS is not equals to RHS, and hence the value of the p equal to 1 is not a solution to the given equation. Now we will try with the p equal to 2. So let p equal to 2. LHS क्या होगा, 5 into 2 plus 2. 5 2 is what, 10 plus 2 is 12. So again by comparing the LHS and the RHS, so 12 is not equals to 17. So LHS is not equals to RHS, and hence the value of the p equal to 2 is not a solution of the given equation. Now continuing with the same, let p equal to 3. तो LHS क्या आ जाएगा आपका, 5 into 3 plus 2. So 5 3 is 15 plus 2 is what, 17. तो LHS हमने यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट किया है 17. Now by comparing LHS and the RHS, what do we get? LHS we have calculated 17. RHS we have given that 17. So LHS equals to RHS, and hence the value of p equal to 3 is a solution to the given equation. जहाँ पे भी आपको solution मिलता है, always highlight your solution. Yes. And with this we got, by trial and error method, we got the value of the p equal to what, 3. Now we will continue with the next example, that is the second one. So the second question is 3m minus 14 equal to 4. So again by trial and error method we need to find out the solution of the given equation. Okay. अभी अगर यहाँ पे मैं 3m की वैल्यू 0 डाल दूंगी तो ये आ जाएगा 3 into 0 minus 14. तो ये -14 equal to 4 आ जाएगा, तो बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस आ रहा है, तो 0 नहीं लेंगे, 0 1 2 अगर ये कंसिडर करते तो बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस आएगा. We'll start with the p equal to 3. Sorry, not p. It should be m equals to 3. So by substituting the value of the m equal to 3, so LHS will be what, 3m minus 14. So 3 into 3 minus 14. So 3 3 is 19 minus 14 will be what, minus of 5. By comparing LHS and RHS, LHS क्या कैलकुलेट किया है हमने यहाँ पे, -5. RHS is what, 4. So LHS is not equals to RHS. यहाँ पे LHS equal to RHS आ रहा है क्या? नहीं. And hence the value of the m equal to 3 is not a solution to the given equation. Okay. Now continuing with the next. Let m equal to 4. तो ये 3 solution नहीं है तो उसका consecutive next number क्या consider करेंगे 4. So LHS is what 3m minus 4. m की value 4 डाल दो तो ये आ जाएगा 3 4 12 minus 4 that is 8. So by comparing the LHS and the RHS, so LHS क्या calculate किया हमने यहाँ पे 8 and RHS is given to us 4 but they are not equal. As they are not equal, LHS is not equals to RHS and hence the value of the m equal to 4 is not a solution to the given equation. So m equal to 4 भी नहीं आ रहा है. We will check it for the 5. So let m equal to 5. So m की value मैंने 5 डाल दी. 3 5 are 15 minus 14 is what? By comparing LHS and RHS. So LHS हमने क्या calculate किया यहाँ पे 1 और RHS क्या आ रहा है 4. So obviously they are not equal. Hence the value of the m equal to 5 is not a solution to the given equation. We will try the next one, that is m equal to 5. So LHS is what? 3m minus 14. So 3m minus 14 है तो ये आ जाएगा 3 into 6 minus 14. So 3 6 the what? 18 minus 14 is 4. Now comparing the LHS and RHS, what we have calculated LHS over here 4. RHS is given to us 4. So 4 equal to 4, equality आ रही है and hence the value of the m equal to 6 is the solution to the given equation. जहाँ पे भी आपको आंसर मिल रहा है, always highlight your answer. With this we have finished the question number 3. Next question we will see in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye. Be connected with the Easy Mathematics.